Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 11th class subject botany, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, you know we are studying the classification of fungi, and so far we have discussed the three classes of this kingdom fungi. Now today we will study the fourth class of fungi called the Basidiomycotina. This class of fungi, Basidiomycotina, which recognizes the division, and the Basidiomycetes is the class of these fungi. These fungi are also called the club fungi, C-L-U-B, club fungi. So today our topic is division Basidiomycotina of class Basidiomycetes, or generally these are called the club fungi. As you know, we are studying the general characters of these classes of fungi. In the same way, today we will discuss the general characters of this class Basidiomycetes also. The first general character of these Basidiomycetes is that these types of fungi include mushrooms, puffballs, jelly fungi, shell fungi, plant pathogens including rusts and somates. So you should remember that these Basidiomycetes, they include the mushrooms, puffballs, jelly fungi, shell fungi, plant pathogens, plant like rusts and somates. These all types of fungi are included in this class of fungi Basidiomycetes. The second general character of these Basidiomycetes is that they are named for their characteristic structure, the club-shaped basidium. So you should remember here that these are named Basidiomycetes because they have a characteristic structure which is called the club-shaped basidium. Number third general character is the mycelium of Basidiomycetes is composed of septate and perforated hyphae. The mycelium, or you can say it, the plant body of these Basidiomycetes is composed of septate and perforated hyphae. Each septum is perforated centrally by a doily pore. Fourth general character is the mycelia are of three types. The plant body can be of three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Now regarding the primary mycelium, it develops from uninucleate haploid basidiospores. Primary mycelium of this class of fungi develops from uninucleate haploid basidiospores. The specialized sex organs such as Antheridia and Oogonia, these are the sex organs. Antheridia is the male sex organ and Oogonia is the female sex organ. These are the specialized sex organs, Antheridia and Oogonia. These are not formed in this class of fungi. Sexual reproduction occurs in primary mycelium. So you should remember here that as there are three types of mycelia, primary, secondary, and tertiary, the sexual reproduction occurs in first primary mycelium by somatogamy and spermatization. These are the processes by which this sexual reproduction occurs in primary mycelium: somatogamy and spermatization, and it involves plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. Now the fifth general character is the secondary mycelium consists of dikaryotic or binucleate cells. So secondary nucleus consists of the nuclei, these binucleate cells. It consists of cells which have binucleate. That means it is binucleate. Cells are binucleate. A uninucleate, binucleate. Though the secondary mycelium consists of binucleate cells and grows by cell division. Cell division or mitosis or meiosis. Sixth general character is some of the reproductive cells of secondary mycelium become column-shaped basidia. Some of the reproductive cells of secondary mycelium become column-shaped basidia in which meiosis occurs. Seventh general character of this class of fungi is each basidium produces 4 haploid basidiospores. Each basidium produces 4 haploid basidiospores which get detached and germinate to give rise to primary mycelium. Each basidium produces 4 haploid basidiospores which get detached and germinate to give rise to primary mycelium. Examples of this class of fungi are number 1, Agaricus campestris. This is hendavanaj. Agaricus campestris and which beak qism Amanita. Toadstools. These are the 2 examples of this class of fungi, and these are included in this class Basidiomycetes. So dear students, in this way we have completed the 4th class of this fungi. Now there remains only 1 class, and you should remember that there are this fungi have been classified into 5 classes, and 4 we have completed today, and now there remains only 1 class, that is a Deuteromycetes, and that we will discuss in our tomorrow's lecture. And I hope that you have understood now the general characters of these Basidiomycetes also. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.